First, they were caught napping while the 23-year-old was brutally raped in the capital. And now the Delhi police claims that the case is shut with the 5 accused in custody, even though one of the suspects is still absconding. Clearly for them, the 23-year-old gang rape victim is just another statistics. But this time, angry and indignant masses of India will not be pacified by mere lip service.
Over 100 hours have lapsed since a 23-year-old medical student was gang raped, brutalized and her friend savagely beaten in this bus as it traversed the streets of Delhi and finally left for dead under the Mahipalpur flyover.
एक बंदा मेरे को हाथ से इशारा कर रहा है कि भाई बचाओ बचाओ। मैं उसके पास आया, आके मैंने देखा तो एक लड़की भी उसके पास लेटी पड़ी हुई थी और जो दोनों ही कपड़े किसी के बदन पर नहीं थे। उसके बाद उसके ब्लड निकल रहा था लड़के के शरीर से। मैंने सोचा भाई ये कोई वैसा केस है। उसके बाद मैंने अपने साथी को बुलाया और मैंने अपनी शर्ट उतार के दी उनको, शर्ट पहनाई और मेरे साथी ने स्वेटर दिया।
वो बोल रहे कि हमें ना यहाँ पे मतलब मेरा मोबाइल छीन लिया, चेन छीन ली, पर्स छीन लिया और हमारे कपड़े नहीं उतार के हमें यहाँ फेंक गए।
Yet it took the Delhi police nearly 48 hours to act before 5 of the accused were taken into custody.
It's a big breakthrough in the gang rape case. The victim's friend has identified one of the prime accused, Mukesh, during the test identification parade which was conducted at Tihar jail. In fact, sources said that he recognized the prime accused in just few seconds.
Meanwhile, reports of forensic examination are awaited to corroborate the evidence of the victim. But the Delhi police, on its part, has already contented itself with the arrests made.
How soon do you think the case can be solved? Because there's a fast tracking.
Case is solved. It's already solved. Actually, depends. Fast track court will do as quickly as possible. I mean, judiciary thing I can't comment.
This despite the fact that one of the accused is still on the run. But instead of expediting investigations, the Delhi government still trying to justify the delay in action.
पुलिस की और जनता की, आवाम की जो दूरी है, जो विश्वास जनता को पुलिस से नहीं है, उसको कैसे कम किया जाए.
But clearly none of these words are cutting any ice with the angry, outraged masses demanding answers. Is apprehending the culprits enough? Till the brutes responsible are made to pay for their heinous crime, the fight is still on. Bureau Report, Times Now.